flavor.
Yeah, you just save a life. You're a hero.
Island flavor.
You never know who else you might get saved.
But they are my big friend. So she's going to see herself at Jamaica walk by. I saw you go, no worry yourself. Just imagine saying a day, man. I saw you chop though. Yeah, I understand. I saw you go. See, I'm auntie there, watch her. Free die. Yeah, man. See, people don't even know some name Felix. And you let go one next secret, you know. Video is all about just giving thanks. You don't know, bless up every time. Big up to all my supporters. You don't know, we're on our way to 100,000 subscribers. And in this video, it's just all about going to the market and, you know, get a few stuff on the road. You know, like say it's home with the baby and things. So I just decided to I'm gonna just run on the road to get a few stuff and things like that. As you can see, we're currently driving. This is like the Freetown here I'm reach because I got Old Harbour Market. And I know you all know stranger to the Old Harbour Market and things. So that's where I'll be going today. Yeah, so if you're not new to the channel, you will know that my mother's selling at the market. So my mother's selling at the Old Harbour Market, and you know, today I'm gonna support her and try to get some stuff from her and them things there. And you know, a few local market supplies and some bunch of things. So you see me, I'm add some big up Extreme Arts every time. Yeah, the baddest video director in Jamaica right now, and videographer. You don't know, Extreme Arts. Big up every time. You actually see me in my How Are Your Drone repair shirt. So you don't know if you have your drone and all them things that damage and you want to repair them, you can always link up How Are Your Drone repairs in America. You understand? You can actually send your drone from Jamaica to them in America, and they will fix it and all of that and sort it out and send it back to you safe or whatever the deal was. You understand? Everything will go smooth. So yeah, massive. So big up also to them. I'm gonna just give out some Jamaica walk by flyers and thing and cards and stuff like that. Still asking persons to subscribe to the channel. So if you watch a video right now and not yet subscribed, please may I ask you to subscribe. You don't know, we're on our way to 100,000 subscribers, and we just want to go and give you some real content. So yeah, we are gonna hold up right about now. So yeah, I get a parking back a juicy beef and thing. You don't know, one of the most famous spot this in the Old Harbour. Juicy patties, you don't know. Big up Mr. Chin. You know you can't go to market if you don't have your market bag. You understand? Nothing too big today, nothing too extra. Yeah, and as I say, I want to give out a few cards and thing. This is what the Jamaica walk by card look like. You know, so we have a YouTube name on there, the Instagram and the WhatsApp and stuff. And you know, a bunch of little brief description as to what the channel is about and thing. Yeah, so you know, I pass a few person and I can get to chew in a word and you know promote the channel same speed. I go do that. So you don't know, usually when I heap a talking and thing, we just want to show no what go on. I want to just catch a look of natural vibe, a look of natural premium. I got market, you understand? Yeah. So please me I beg you, if you now watch that video, me I ask you if you subscribe to the channel. With 78,000 subscribers and now, and I look forward to go to the 100,000. So yeah, you understand. Hope I go on. I don't know if you subscribe to my YouTube yet, but I give a card. Yeah, 1 subscriber at a time. What go on, rich boy? You get, me give a card already?
Yeah, go on.
There, man. Say to me you subscribe to the YouTube channel. You hear that? Very good day upon the earth. You can go and market, bro. Yeah, look more. You're there. So you don't know, natural vibe me upon and we just go through the same way. Old Harbour Town. Which part of Old Harbour Town? Massive them there. Oh, no, there now. Market vibe. But I know say me always in the market already, so and I'm not new. You understand? Because I normally selling at the market to my mother, but try to support mommy today. Watch her go. Oh, that. Hey! Boy, you go buy out the whole make shop.
No, sir. Good God, chase. They will quality for me.
I beg you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here, 1 subscriber at a time. So, we showcase the natural ambiences and live it in Jamaica. You understand? Really nice. You'll love it. Long time I don't see you there. You go and take it easy. You go and take it easy. Love God and live. And enjoy with local life. You understand? But you're alright, dude.
Yeah, man. I'm good care.
Big up yourself and thanks. Remember, you can if you don't know if you do Instagram and anything, you can link me up. Alright. Yeah, my G, big up. Yeah, me can get a card, my bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't know 1 subscriber at a time. Jamaica walk by, you know each up.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Ah, see there, that is it. Big up. Oh, that Rasta man. You dip on it? Yes, sir. You know, mother selling at market in a bro, so you know that shop they go already. Yeah. Yes, sir. Outside, yo, bro, where you did? See.
What's your friend? You need back your brethren.
You know, I can't pass and I come touch you up. Where are you? There, I come give me a link. So I can give me a 1 buy. You watch YouTube video and anything there?
I don't know what you know.
Hey, I give 1 card. You can make your daughter also subscribe to it. On my YouTube channel list. Jamaica walk by. Yeah, big up my brother. Alright, take care of your mom.
Yes, I think my brother.
And then my social media man and everything. Yeah.
I give you guys my card.
Alright, look over here. Yeah. Watch him now. What you did? You're good. Uncle, you did? Me there, you go and take it easy.
Yeah, I go watch the boy.
Yeah, me I go check mommy and see what mommy I did with. Try to get some stuff. You take it easy?
Yeah, no, it's not there.
Yeah, man. We will chat to you, yeah?
Alright.
Auntie, I go on.
Oh, Mama, let your birthday. How you do?
Touch it. Me there, I go and go through. I give thanks. Oh, you afraid of them, something? Oh. You know, say me a video, me I go just tell us me a video. Eh, like how me a video. Yeah. So, come on. Massive, see her there? I know I want to be #1 subscriber. Here with Auntie Eva now. Auntie Eva watch every video and then want to sit down with me and talk to me straight through the whole video. I watch her. Love watch people on video now. I see there. Free that camera like a walk. Watch her hide all in face. Glory to God. Alright. We're not telling a lie in Jesus' name. Alright, big up person. I'm going to check mommy. Boy, yeah, I then don't see already in your face. All the grey hair them in your head, then see everything already. You don't have to bother. Big up yourself. Eh? Why you juice? You say cheese and peas. You say you love tax me? Let me look if I find out for you. I never reach in the market yet. You go on. A little money more I find in because God know me not have it today. Broke like a woman, I have to wait till I get her some change. See that? I go down and mommy, I go and spend it. I go and spend it mommy and then circle you. See them, I not have much I know. But me tell us, they might follow me from my yard. So they must say me just reach her. I not even buy nothing yet.
But me a choke.
You're not choke. You're not choke. Go and go buy a juice and come back.
Buy with me one.
You're going to stress me. Yeah. That joke. So, a lot of these people, you know, I know from a little, like she are one of them, we in the market for a little, I go and do it, you know, she's still there, I go and juggle, you understand, and everybody branch off and I do them little different things, Old Harbour market our place, you understand, so I'm Auntie over there, so she still, I don't know when Auntie ever gets a shot, but we outside I go easy back a little bit, watch out, you know, eh, we afraid of, eh, watch out, hiding face again, you know, tell them, say, here all I call me by my yard name. So, yeah man, we're outside. This is just a little vlog. We just want to show you exactly what I go on a little market there. You don't know the bag in hand, same way. Nothing in there yet. So we are going to get it. Go and sell, man. Eh? Yeah. So, I go check out down at my mother ends and get some things I want and beer things. No joke thing. Yes, I get the drinks now, you alright? I should give back my change. See that? I just want, what that there? I cool? I know I cool. No. Flavor splash? No. What I want the name again?
Island.
Yeah, island flavor.
Yeah, you just save a life. You're a hero.
Island flavor.
You never know who else you might go save.
But they are my big friend. So she are going to see herself on Jamaica walk by. I saw you go, no worry yourself. Just imagine saying a day, man. I saw you chop up. Yeah, I understand. I saw you go. See, I'm auntie there, watch her. Free die. Yeah, man. See, people don't even know some name Felix. And you let go one next secret, you know. You understand? Yeah. Don't worry yourself. See that? That is it. All natural. In the market. No joke thing. Auntie, have a stop head now, man. No, head not even come. Listen, man. Beautiful ladies don't shine. Yeah, we're there. Alright, so you know, since we show you, you have to go to Instagram. Why Instagram?
I'm going to do Instagram for sure. You cannot do that.
Alright, massive. You hear that? So she says she's not there on Instagram. So when I can't say me show her and I go to her Instagram, she does not have none. Alright? That is it.
That is it.
Auntie Doreen! Barrington, where are you?
That's it, Kurt.
Oh, you call Kurt? Yeah. Oh, God, that's Kurt. Yeah. No Barrington, I come call me Kurt. Yeah. Come give me a check, see what I go on, and I go and chat to my people. Good evening. We're there. You alright? I go and lock it.
250 a bag.
You say, burn up. Tiger.
Me see you, me not see you.
You see me and you see me?
Me see you, not see you. I'm tell you what me see you, not see you now. Me see one youth stand up down there so little while, baby. And I give me a picture.
How we are mash up?
Tony, make come buy one lunch, so you take one some.
Oh. But you don't, mommy not up on the star. Asha, where will I goods? That's it. But you don't sell.
People don't love this.
I can't not on the star. Mommy look on the time, so me I go get. Me don't more. Let me look on the list. Jesus Christ. Uncle Tony. Are you boss? Are you boss for me? That's mommy not again them that time. Yeah, my mother foreigner, mommy over there, mommy flying, you know, out the ice. You understand? Yeah. Let me look on the list. Look up on them at top shelf, are massive. Top shelf, you know, say I customer them left for them little thing that and soon come pick up. You know the vibe. Blossom. Me don't even see you Rasta man. Oh easy. Yeah, eat piece of what? You should have never said that. But you eat piece of chicken. Careful enough. Fire. You go on, boy, eat piece of chicken. Bird. Like not chicken, like bird. Bird. We never see lion on the ambush yet.
No.
Never. And it never will. Straight raw meat, lion eat. Remember Rasta is said about lion? Yeah. I eat piece of bird. So right now for my list. Yeah, more onion, carrot. So this is carrot. Carrot them little this week. You know some like them still? Yeah, some like them. Get 1 pound of that. That's a carrot. I'm on 1 pound of onion. Oh, this is all you have. I don't even have to ball out, sell out again because you're almost done. Now have to ball out, sell out.
Yeah.
More. But you know no tomato. Tomato done. Until you're not tomato. How much a pound for tomato? $300. $300 a pound for tomato. Blouse and skirt.
What the two scale?
2?
At $300 for this.
3 bills to that. The 2 tires scale. No cabbage. Barrington have cabbage or blossom? Blossom. I don't want no more than 1 cabbage. Just 1 nice, pretty cabbage. Please. That's all big. You know, we don't eat it so much. You want to look a smaller one than that. Yeah. Big man, are you that? I can't see you. Mommy, she don't recognize me. When I go say, oh, me give it, I go say, mommy. Mommy, me go say, mommy. I'll mash up it. More sweet pepper. You know, you have sweet pepper? Oh, Jesus. Auntie Doreen have sweet pepper? Miss Banner, how is Miss Cherry? What am I doing over there? That is it.
How you doing?
But they look for you, you know.
Because me and your godson just come from town, you know.
Yeah, massive. You see that lady, I want to be next mother, you understand? See how Miss Cherry. I the guy who used to sing with mother, you know. The great revival boy, you know. Now play with him at the maddest thing since sliced bread. There's no setup without revival boy. You hear that? I miss that. If you don't have revival boy and set up on the 9 night, no keep none. You understand? Until you book revival boy, set up a go cave. See mother, yeah. Big up Miss Banner every time. No joke. Yes.
Yeah, man.
So everything alright, do everything easy?
Yes, me just come from town. Call the boy go to school and chew. Them are bad about the shoes, them with the...
Oh yes, they have to go get a new shoes.
Yes.
Yeah, but we have to adhere to the laws of the schools, you know?
Yeah.
No joke. Alright, mommy, I don't know what you have on the list, but I can see what is what. No, I don't see no Irish pan in this. One pop chow though. And banana. No, I don't think banana for the pan. Yeah.
See you did it. Oh, she. Yeah.
So it's all about meat market, you know. So I'm gonna get some meat and thing. Oh God, my bro. Yeah, I find a list there. Blessed. Chicken foot, chicken neck, and chicken liver. Can I get two pound each?
We don't have the chicken liver. We don't have the chicken liver.
Judge, I know. Alright, so you have chicken foot. Alright, can you give me chicken foot? Eh?
500.
Or 500? Well, I have to look on them money are good, my bro. I don't know them. So since I only get chicken foot runners, so I say I can get chicken neck and chicken liver, and one of the most famous meat shop in the Old Harbour. You don't know, that's an army place. I can see what's going in there.
Walk here.
Young boy, what go on?
Yes, younger boy.
Big up yourself, Fago. You know, so always full. Always full, but yeah.
How much cash here?
12.35.
12.35. Like I turn off this and come here. 2,000 come. Who else not get you? 3 stew and 3. One kettle and it. You cannot no hand cup. One pound of Maggi Caesar. One pound of Maggi Caesar. One season to the bone and one curry. Make sure that one lady at talk to you, okay? How much cash here?
So I get me chicken neck and my chicken liver. I'm out. Yeah, so we are after now. So what me having there? I have chicken liver, chicken neck and chicken foot. I get some supermarket things and now I know we are going to ask persons to subscribers to walk and things, you know. Yeah, no joke. Old Harbour Town. Supermarket time, and now I go visit one of my favorite supermarkets where I get value for my money. You don't know. I go take on a deer. Yeah, massive. So see supermarket, yeah. Not gonna say it have every one of the variety of stuff that you need, but actually them always have exactly what I want at the best prices and things. So right around at the back at Lincoln Plaza in Old Harbour. Me endorse and blast the local place here. You understand? Yeah. So inside of there, nice and neat. I go see inside of there, but they have exactly what I want. And me get the best price and the best value inside there, so for my money. You just pick up a little thing, few things, yeah? Yeah. There you go, man. There. Yeah. So I said today, Saturday, you know, say Saturday rush I go on and do things. But this is actually the mini supermarket that really get everything I really need. You understand? So I endorse and blast it. Same speed, you know, it go. No joke. So I'm a massive if you're in the Old Harbour side and you want value for your money, me endorse a place. I just forward. If them not have what you want, you just visit the next place. Yo, my G, big up every time, bro. Yeah. There. See, so that is it. No joke. Yeah. You see it there? So if them not have it, you know you can go other space, go shop, but me ask you know. I believe in my thing. Come here so first, come by, and then you go where you want to go after that. No joke. Yeah, I think so. Me. Kevin knows so when my father's a beer drinks more about and beer things else. Yeah, massive. So anytime father Kevin, you don't know it's all about the juice and some like a snack. You know editing without the juice and the snack it don't really work. So just come and so come get me juice them and thing. Yeah, no joke. If the camera can get a shout out right now to you for your YouTube channel, what you say?
No, not now.
Not now? Alright. Massive me I put our YouTube channel up on the screen. Yeah, man, so as I say right so yeah, that is the go-to place and then I Old Harbour for buy snacks and all of them like a thing. If you want value for your money, but check out that place right so right around a Lincoln Plaza, as you can see there? Lincoln Plaza right around at the back. Yeah. Right so. And that place I'm in there. So for your snacks them, I'll tell you the truth, them not gonna have every single variety that you want and stuff. But if you come right so, you pretty much are gonna get all like snacks and the little everyday things that you need. If you like want other stuff where you know big supermarket probably have it, you just come here so first and then you go to the other supermarket them. So big up all my Jamaica walk by massive. We are sign out Old Harbour Town. You understand me? I can go home and I'm supposed to get everything I want. So we go meet up, we go supermarket and we go to the market. You get some few stuff. So I just want to tap up on a little bit of stuff because I'm going to edit over the weekend and I need my thing them so I have to go and support Kevin that place here right so yeah, mad love, mad respect. So we outside, no joke. So I actually make a little stop right out of Bokis there so I want to my bridging. Richie! You have melon? Me have to ask because you have melon what day and you tell me say you have melon but you don't know none with cut. Good evening, good evening. Yeah, I can introduce it to my YouTube channel, my friend. Yeah, it's called Jamaica Walk By. So we walk and talk and reason and showcase the natural ambiences of the earth. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, that's great. Richie, how much of them on here? Indeed, you're good. Can you me so good enough as a virgin, you know? Yo, boy. Eh? Me, I wonder. Where you get fame? Coconut you do for you? You can make him just give me a piece of that melon and go on. Come in, you see me tell you I rate me, could I just ask this nice beautiful lady that you know? You're wicked man. Me just what, how much is this?
It's 4 pounds. 800.
How much?
800.
800. I give me half fight. Because I'm a little daughter and she don't eat them as often. Yeah, she supposed to eat them, so by the time if she eat off all this whole light spoil.
Me don't know each other.
Yeah, so the boss that to me.
You used to live along green, you know me don't along green stay in a bridge.
Alright.
You don't sit down and wait.
Yeah, so I see me there with my brethren Richie. You don't know Richie up on the house in the same way. The nice you could spot all the fruits them on the one same way. Coconut, ripe banana, melon, on a fruit pine. Me say foreign apple over there, so papa there. You don't know a crazy amount of thing. Richie got it. Right banana over there, so you understand. So big up my brethren Richie. I always have to support that general. How much is this now? 4 bills?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see a word. Yes, sir. So yeah. So Richie gone back on the chopper now, can do the lady thing. See the melon here? I want to ripe on the real melon them and fruits. Alright, that's my fault. Right out of Bogles, you understand? Richie. Local general. So I got you. So massive, I don't know I close the video already, but yeah. So big up to everybody who watch the video, all who support the channel. If you are watching and subscribe, please may I ask if you subscribe to the channel so you can actually reach the 100,000 subscribers. You understand? So blessed love, blessed respect. Big up to Marwa, big up to Christmas list, Big up to Black Man Travels, you don't know, he's our next big YouTuber that's supposed to come in Jamaica so we can link up. So yeah, big up Diane, big up all of my dieted subscribers them. You don't know, me love you know. Trust me, the blessings has been, trust me, I can't even find words to say, but you don't know, I love you all. Big up every time. Continue to support Jamaica Walk By. And great thing. We have some very interesting news for posts and things, so wanna look out for that. See? So I'm a Walk By massive. Just a simple vlog to show you a little bit of shopping in an Old Harbour Town and stuff like that. So mad love, mad respect. We're signing out. More love. That is it. Yeah. No joke. Look now man, figure that.